We want to find the gradient of the curve. Y equals 4x minus 1 squared over 3x squared at the point 1, 3. For gradient, we need dy dx. It's a quotient, and we should be able to see that u is 4x minus 1 squared, and v is 3x squared. To find du dx, we use the chain rule, differentiate the bracket, and multiply by the differential of the contents of the bracket. So we have 8 times 4x minus 1. dv dx will be 6x. dy dx then, using the quotient rule, is v times du dx, and this gives us 24x squared times 4x minus 1. Take away u times dv dx, which is 6x times 4x minus 1 squared, all divided by v squared, which is 9x to the power 4. We want the gradient at the point 1, 3, which means that x is equal to 1. We have 24, x squared is just 1, and this is 3. 4 times 1, take away 1, is 3. Take away 6, x is just 1, and 4x minus 1 is 3, so 3 squared. All divided by 9 times 1. 24 times 3 is 72, and 6 times 9 is 54. All divided by 9. And this is 18 divided by 9, which is 2.